I fucking took a National Geographic in there a few times, man.
Okay then. So what the fuck? What's the fucking difference? Nah, just racy. Oh my god, that's like a word I haven't heard used in a while. Oh, that's kind of racy. Why fuck a tree when a book is technically? There you go.
Paper is made
Paper
from
is
wood.
made from wood. Wood is from a tree. Technically, you fuck a book, you're fucking a tree. Fucking guild. I mean, guild with the fucking knowledge, dude. But paper cuts. You wear a condom. People have their fingerprints on there. You gotta be safe. Wear protection. Listen, ladies and gentlemen. You know what? Let's get serious here for a minute, everybody. Everybody, let's get serious. Let's get serious here. Okay? Okay? Chat. There's gunplay in Miami here. Daddy Miami, aka Fat Man Little Dick in Miami, aka Gigantic Balls. You know, we love joking here. We love having fun. But remember, be it a sex robot, a car, or a tree, whatever you're fucking, use protection. You want to protect yourself and take care of yourself. Okay,
Dude, you can't talk about it because you don't use it. So why are you talking about it?
Hey, I'm a married man. That's different. That's different. That's different, okay?
Can you highlight Gilda's last message?
God, hold on. Actually, I don't have that app open. I had that open in a minute. Doesn't work for